Got a 2013 VW Touareg, CNRB engine code. The complaint is of an oil leak. Did a little inspection. If you look down here, pulling up from the front main seal. So we're going to replace the front main. Take off this storage air pipe.
7 mil.
Okay. We got some triple 10s down there.
Triple 10s where?
In the crank pulley.
You said T what?
T60. Release the tension on the belt.
T60 for the belt. Remember how you pull the belt
Routing
off.
direction is important. Yes. Start getting some of the triple 10s out here. Gonna kind of be doing this blind. Yeah, so it's seeing some of the oil coming out of there.
Oh, oil's on the bolts.
Yeah. Okay, we got one left. Reference mark here.
On the pulley?
From the pulley and the cover, that way we just kind of know approximately what we're going back on. Just a little white dot. This will save us some headache later. 8 bolts and they only go on one way. And I bet you can get 6 on and then 2 won't fit.
Oh, okay. You see that mark?
You can see where the buildup's happening. We also want to keep this where it was. Probably,
the spacer?
yeah, the little washer there. Probably make a mark too for that. That way you just know where it's going. Okay. Beaver hands, slip hands, devil.
Why can't you just say yes?
This is the fuses. We got a leaky line. Okay, we're gonna get that seal out of there now. Right in T419.
Now what's that screw do on the side?
It's just a little set screw to keep that from turning. Okay, let's see here. Got the seal out. Seal.
Fresh seal.
We got it set up on a T448/2. It's a lip seal. We got the lip facing forward, and you have this little step. That's what's going to sit on the crankshaft.
Gotcha.
And we have our press tool, T448-7.
Is there any way to know which way the seal goes?
What do you mean?
Like how it just...
It's a lip seal. The lip has to go in.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
gotcha.
So basically these two screws are what's going to thread us home. So first thing we're going to do is put it down here. Get lined up on a screw hole. Take two ratcheting wrenches, just carefully work it in. The nice thing about if you have the special tool, which is worth investing in, is it's going to sit perfect. Tighten her up.
I'll show when it's done. It's hard to...
Okay. So the whole setup is basically just used like a press. Press them in. You can see it's going in about 3 millimeters past the edge. That's going to be really hard to do by eye.
Yep.
Some fresh bolts. We made our mark down here. Let's just drop 2 bolts in. We got our mark here, and we got to find our other mark right here.
New hardware. I was thinking of the rear main seal.
This is the same thing, just on the front.
I know, but it's not in between the tranny.
Oh. pattern. Let's give them a first round of snug. Now,
Torquing down.
so we're on 20 Newton meters.
20 newtons.
That's
And
stage 1, and then a 90.
so 20 newtons, cross pattern,
And then a 90. Yeah.
and then a 90 for everything.
Well, we're not doing the cross pattern, so we already did a cross snug. I can't really see down there, so we're going around 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we're going to make a mark here, a white mark. That's going to tell us our first and when we're done.
Gotcha.
It's probably more than this thing can take. 30, 30, and 30. Alright, we're going to go with a little bigger wrench because I hit an over torque on that one. So it's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Full spray. See if,
On the serpentine.
see if I can remember how this goes.
There's no map drawn like the Chevys.
No, no map. I'm going to try to remember it here. I think I'll pull.
T60.
Yeah, I'll put it right here. Sorry. No, that's it. Feels good, okay? Tighten up the charge port.
7 mil.
Oh.
Yep.
'13 Touareg TDI CNRB engine code, front main seal.